So in this video, I'm going to show you how to isolate a color. Yeah, so first and foremost, you open your Premiere Pro and make sure you've already drag and drop your clip into the timeline. So what you have to do next is to come here, come to your effect and search for leaf color. So once you search for leaf color, see it here, you drag and drop it into the clip you would like to isolate the color you want. So the next thing you have to do is you come here, this match color, change it to using hue. So what you have to do next is to increase this amount of the color and yeah, play with the tolerance. You can like try to reduce it tolerance a little bit. Yep, so just play around the tolerance and yep, you can get what you want. Yeah, just try and play around the tolerance, you get what you want. And if you want to animate it, the easiest way to animate it is to let's go a bit further here, a bit forward here, then just click on the keyframe here, then let's go backward a bit, then yes, let's reset this here. So let's play it and see. So that's it. I think it was a little bit slow. Let me push it here. So let's play it again. Yeah, so that's how to isolate a color and animate it.